Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Join me sa isang unboxing and quick look experience on the smartphone with infrared thermometer that runs on the new Android 11 OS, the Umidigi A9. To kick off this video, here are some notable specs ng Umidigi A9. This is special with contactless thermometer, Android 11 operating system, Helio G25 octa-core processor, 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, big battery at 5,150 mAh, 13MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP depth. At ngayon, sama-sama tayo sa pag-unbox ng Umidigi A9. Special ang ating video ngayon dahil ang video natin ngayon ay in cooperation with Banggood. This is the package that we received and join me in unboxing this package. Let us cut through the plastic seal. This is the box of Umidigi A9. This is a simple box with rounded line texture around the Umidigi branding located at the center. At the back, we have the basic specifications of the phone. Kapag nag-order kayo online, always check the seals. Unbroken seals indicates that the contents inside are intact. Upon opening, in the first layer, you will see the Umidigi A9 phone. Good thing to know that our phone safely arrived. The clear jelly case is pre-installed. The cover film have some specifications, and at the back, also a film introducing the ports and buttons at the sides. The phone is covered with protective film pre-installed sa ating screen. As you can see, the case protects the phone well as the camera bump and screen is not protruding. Let's go through the box. Next layer is an envelope containing the SIM ejector tool and document. And let us finish the unboxing with the charging brick and the USB-A to USB-C cable in red color. That's the complete set inside the box of Umidigi A9. Let us peel the front and back protective films para mas ma-appreciate natin ang itsura ng phone. This is the Umidigi A9 in blue color. This is also available in misty gray and peacock green. Check out the texture. It has fine lines. Good thing with this texture, it makes the phone anti-fingerprint. See that the fingerprint does not mark. A9 is made of plastic, unlike the Umidigi A9 Pro that is having metal and glass body. This is a unibody plastic, sides and back. I like the simple look, making it more formal or elegant looking. Plastic material making it durable. This is a good thing and it feels well on the hands too. Isa ring special dito sa ating Umidigi A9, it is running Android 11 out of the box. One of the first phones to ship out with Android 11. Using stock Android 11, no customization skins and it does not have bloatwares. Good thing with this is the software is very light, giving the extra space for our running apps. Pagdating naman sa processing, Umidigi A9 is using MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor together with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The storage can be expandable with the microSD card along with the two 4G SIMs. Masasabi natin, this is an entry-level gaming processor, able to play casual games and even the graphically intensive ones, mostly on basic settings. This is a basic setup, and with this tech spec, it is expected to provide all your basic communication needs and tools like messaging apps, online meeting and classrooms, and get connected to social media. And to share your moments on social media, use the triple camera in taking shots of your moments. A 13MP AI camera, an ultra-wide angle lens with 120 field of view, and a depth camera for more dramatic portraits. This is also good for night photography with HDR and AI beauty. In front, meron tayong 8MP selfie camera. Use it for taking video to preserve your precious moments, capable hanggang 1080p resolution videos. Makikita natin ang display na may 6.53 inches, 720p ang resolution nito. It has a single loudspeaker at the bottom. This is just enough for your casual gaming and video binge watching. Speaking of binge watching, this is equipped with 5150 mAh battery. This battery is quite big for the price segment na ito. With this, A9 is expected to last a day or two. Charge it with a 10-watt charger included. Good thing we have a Type-C port. This is equipped with a fingerprint scanner at the back and also face unlock to be a security feature. Another tool is the customizable button to launch an app or function if you press it. And what makes Umidigi A9 special? The contactless thermal scanner. Measure your body temperature anytime. This is a handy tool, especially these times that we usually monitor our health. Just simply point the scanner on the forehead and click measure. Umidigi A9 may be a step down with tech specs compared to its Pro variant, the Umidigi A9 Pro. But this is a big step down on its price, making this very affordable. Watch out and abangan din ninyo ang future video natin comparing Umidigi A9 and Umidigi A9 Pro side by side. So do not forget to subscribe. Speaking of affordability, regular price is around $120. This is a good price for us to have a phone that can cater all our basic communication needs. On the start of the video, you notice that we unbox a package from Banggood. Let me say something about this cross-border online store. Dito sa Philippines, nakasanayan na natin ng online shopping. One store that is good to get gadgets is Bangood. Very affordable and also legitimate. Items will come from overseas, pero mabilis din naman siyang dumating dito sa atin para din tayong nag-order overseas like with other online stores. Umidigi A9 is also available here. If you are interested, check out the link on the description below. And also, you can get a special discount if you use our coupon code. Makikita rin ito sa description. You can get the A9 at $99.99 or 4,942 pesos. Ordering is quite easy. Click Add to Cart, check out, input delivery information, and do not forget to input the discount coupon code. Then click Place Order. Makakatulong ng malaki sa channel if you buy using this link. Salamat! Iniimbitahan ko rin kayo to follow Bangood Philippines Facebook page. Mayroon silang ongoing giveaways. Get a chance to win by following the link na nasa description. Good luck! Now to sum up our quick look video, if you want to experience Android 11, you need a phone that can be your daily online companion, a battery that can get you throughout the day, very affordable, and a contactless thermometer as a bonus. Go for the Umidigi A9. I hope nakatulong ito para ma-experience ninyo ang unboxing and quick look on the device sa panonood lamang. Subscribe to Lanicom Views, follow nyo din sa FB, Twitter, and Instagram ang Lanicom Views. Comment kayo at pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!